Hey guys, it's George from Currys, and today we're going to be looking at 3 things that stand out on the Beko Aquatech washing machine. It's gentler on your clothes, it helps reduce plastic waste, and it saves you time on ironing. Now I'm going to get myself over to the lab to have a look in a little bit more detail. This washing machine changes the way it washes your clothes, which not only helps you save time, but it actually takes better care of your clothes. Now, if you want to come in closer to the drum, you'll be able to see that it uses water and detergent in place of harsh drum movements. Now, they come down from the top of the drum, which gives you a wash cycle that's 50% faster and gentler without affecting the quality of the results. And whilst we're on the drum, it's designed to be kinder to the planet, as it's actually partially made from recycled plastic bottles, which helps to reduce plastic pollution. Also, you won't have to spend as much time ironing after the wash because it reduces creasing in the drum. Steam Cure sends steam into the drum once the cycle is finished, so your clothes won't be as wrinkled when they come out. If you want to find out more info on the Beko Aquatech washing machine, why not visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.